Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Watch your step on those bottles, okay?
Come on.
All right, for now we're just gonna detain you, all right? Relax, like good stretch.
Have a great day, okay?
We're back, and today's video is recent body cam footage from the Kent Police Department in Washington State. The video starts as officers conduct a welfare check on a man and woman sleeping inside a parked yellow Dodge Charger. When officers approach the vehicle, both occupants appear to be in a deep sleep, and officers observe alcohol bottles strewn about. Watch what happens as these people are woken up by police and questioned, and let me know in the comments how you think these officers performed during this encounter. And here we go.
Good morning. Good morning, Kent Police. Hey, good morning.
You know where the other hand is?
Under her, in her lap. She's holding on to it. Hey, good morning, Kent Police. Hey, bro. Hi, miss. Can you wake up for me? Hi,
Hello.
Kent Police.
Kent Police. Are you okay? Are you breathing?
Hi. Are you awake? Can you wake up for me? I gotta make sure you're okay. We're conducting a welfare check.
Ma'am, what's his name? What?
A little louder. Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? You want to step out for us?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. So step out nice and easy, big guy. Watch your step on those bottles, okay?
Come on.
All right. For now, we're just gonna detain you. All right? Relax. Like good stretch. Good stretch. There you go. Relax your arm, bro.
Hey, what are you doing?
He's just a morning stretch, I think.
Hey,
Don't sit down. Ma'am, let's not do any reaching, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate your cooperation. Just gonna do a quick frisk here. I know you're barefoot, but we're gonna go back away from the open door of the car, okay?
Come on over here.
Phone or something in
We're
this
actually going to
pocket.
sit over here. You got ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to sit down?
1 King 5-2, 1 detained. Code 4 for now. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Officer Campbell, Kent Police. We're conducting a welfare check because you guys are passed out at the wheel and there's bottles everywhere. So we were worried about you. Okay? How old are you, my young friend? Okay. Do you have your ID? Who is he to you? He's your coworker? Okay. Just coworker? Alright. How much have you guys had to drink? I think you're late.
Yeah, oh my god.
Okay. Alright. Is this his wallet? Hey bro, you want your wallet?
Yeah.
May I grab it? It's right here. Can I grab your flip-flops?
No problem. This is my car.
No, this is your car?
Yeah. My brother.
You have ID in there. Can you get your ID from there?
No problem.
Okay. Is it in here? Oh, access is down.
Let's see if records can run it. See if their access is down also. Where do you live, my young friend?
I live in Renton.
In Renton. Okay, you're a long way from Renton. Okay, when's the last time he drank? Your coworker. Okay. You guys were sleeping pretty hard.
Yeah, I got off work at 11 last night. I was supposed to start at 5.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, you might want to start thinking about a ride if he's not able to drive.
No, it's okay. My work is right over here.
What's your work?
My second job, Alberto.
Oh, Alberto. Oh, you both work at Alberto? Okay. All right. Well, you're free to leave.
Last night?
You can leave. Yeah.
I'm just gonna wait and see what's his problem.
He's in handcuffs. There's bottles on the floor of his car here. There's bottles under his car. There's a Corona box in the back. I found him passed out at the wheel, nearly unresponsive. It could be a physical control DUI. So even if it's not that, I have to determine if he's even safe to drive. But I need to be clear to you that I have no business with you. You are free to leave. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You are not detained. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Is that gonna be a call? I'm still waiting. I'm on admin.
Is there running for them?
They're trying right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They work at Alberto, right?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have we met?
I think I'm not this one.
Let me see this car. Maybe we've met. Did my partner reach your rights and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Copy. Thank you.
Bro, you were
Clear.
sleeping hard. Okay? You were sleeping super hard. All right. When's the last beer you had? What time?
It was like count something 11.
11.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long have you been parked here, do you think?
I'm not really sure.
Do you know what time it is now?
In the morning.
Good. It's in the morning. Good job. All right. What day is it?
Tuesday? Wednesday? Right now? I'm not really sure.
What if I told you it was Friday the 20th?
Friday?
Friday. Okay. How much of these did you drink? Because I got 2 under the car and I got 1 at your feet. Man. Corona. Don't you deserve a better beer? You want to put those on? Okay. So you just was sleeping? Just was sleeping? Sleeping hard? Okay. You want to take some tests for me to see if you're good enough to drive?
I can do that. I can do that.
You can
Okay.
do that?
You can stay seated for the first one.
Yeah, the first one's pretty easy. What I want to do is check your eyes, bro. I just want to see, are you still intoxicated? And this is a problem? Or is it something that, you know what, hey, don't do this shit, right? Okay, so what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my pen. Okay, have you done this before? You've seen it on the TV? All right, so you can see the tip of my pen? You're not looking at it. Over here. Hey, there you go. See the tip of my pen? I'm going to just move it back and forth about 12, 15 inches from your face. I just need you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? You need to blink a little bit. Just blink, blink, blink. Right, and just follow the tip of my pen, okay? Alright, and all the way out here, we're going to hold. And to the other side. Over here, follow my pen. And just hold. You okay? You need a break? Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Just follow the tip of my pen. Just follow with your eyes only. There we go. And back to the other side. We're going to go up this time, okay? Just follow the tip of my pen. We're just going to go up. And back down. Just rest your eyes a second. Rest your eyes. There you go. And one more time, we're going to go up. All right, stay seated, bro, okay? So, was it smooth? And yeah, we had a little stagger in the middle.
Yeah.
But once it all the way to resting nystagmus, he was able to relax. And so,
Okay.
I think he's okay. I think he's a lucky motherfucker. Just call it what it is,
Yeah.
right? Because when I got beer bottles everywhere and you're passed out sleeping hard, yeah, maybe a couple hours ago you would have been a DUI, but it's 10 o'clock. Okay?
Yeah.
So, bro, you know how lucky you are?
How about this? Are you hungry? How about you go grab something from in there, snack on it a while, and I think that'll make you feel a little better.
Set up.
Right? And before we leave, I want all those bottles thrown in the trash. I want to watch it. Yep. And that case in the back, I don't know if it's empty or not, but put it in the trunk.
Alright, put that away. Okay? Let's start cleaning up. Okay? All those bottles, everything in the trunk, just like my partner said.
I ran a F350 a while ago, probably an hour ago, and I'm around 259, and it returned as stolen, armed and caution. So I'll go area check over there by Madison, but I didn't get the return until like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, other than the smooth pursuit, everything else was fine.
Yeah, I saw no vertical and all that.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, not being smooth is one thing, right? A little, but they're not shutter when they hit the far end. I'm usually good. What color was it?
Green. Would have lifted. The guy in the front had a mask on.
That seems weird.
Yeah, face mask, but yep. I don't know what I was going to at that point, but I had no return. So I'll probably check Madison.
Yeah, the up by the A building, the very last spots is where I've been pulling them out of.
Yeah.
Because the park, have you been back there on Green River Road?
Yeah.
It is way worse than the last week we were up there.
It's horrible because there's like 30 cars.
Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, a nation's morals are like its teeth. The more decayed they are, the more it hurts to touch them.